Hey everybody, Lombardi25 here. Just got back from the local card shop. Got some of the new 2014 Gypsy Queen, Topps Gypsy Queen baseball. So haven't checked any of this out yet. So kind of fun to open. You get 2 autos, you get 2 relic cards, you get a mini box of those minis, and a bunch of other inserts and short prints and all that stuff. So, all right, first we'll do my mini box. I think this is the first time I've ever got a box of this in a year. Kind of fun though. Craig Kimbrell. These are in the back, look like that, not numbered, anything. David Ortiz. David Price. Just looking at the back, seeing if they have anything on them. David Wright. Will Myers. Don Mattingly. Dustin Pedroia. And Jeter. And our rookie card, oh, nice one, Tanaka, very nice. Alright, let's get right into it. So your base cards look like those minis. And it looks like this is my first hit. It's a pinstripe relic jersey of Chachin, Holis Chachin, yeah, not bad. And my mini was this J.J. Hardy. Come on. Forgot the minis are in the middle there. Got this old-timey looking card of Yogi Berra. With that on the back, and a turned around Mike Trout. I wonder if that's a short print or some sort. And then a black of Brandon Belt, numbered to 199. And then he's actually kicking ass right now. I have him on my fantasy team. And then Romero, rookie card for the Rays. All right. A fake looking frame card type thing, dealing aces of Max Scherzer, and a mini of Chris Davis, regular mini. A Glove Stories insert of Puig, Yasiel, and a Wade Boggs mini. Dealing Aces of Yu Darvish, and a mini of Jim Palmer, regular mini. This one seems very heavy for some reason. Just my imagination. Oh, an autograph of Greg Nettles, the Yankees, an old school, old timer. Alright. And a sepia of Nolan Ryan, it looks like. Ooh, actually numbered to 50. 25 of 50, that's nice. Very nice. Cool. So 1 jersey, 1 auto, a couple nice minis so far. A Glove Stories of Bryce Harper, and a mini rookie card of Jimmy Nelson. Yeah, regular mini. Oh, what's this? A frame something. Relic card, framed relic card of Anthony Rizzo, another one with a pinstripe too. Pretty good for the jersey cards to have that. Nice. And then that's not numbered, I don't think. No. And then a Fujikawa for the Cubs, mini, regular. 1 auto left. That might be it right there. Old-timey Gypsy Queen Tom Seaver. Oh, no. Luis Gonzalez. When I turn around like that, it must be short prints of some sort. Were they high number 300? I don't know what the trout was. Michael Brantley mini. No idea. A debut All-Stars insert of Yu Darvish and a mini of Daniel Nava, the Red Sox. Got about a little less than half a box left. A dealing aces of Felix Hernandez and another turnaround card. Oh, it's a framed one, $4.99 blue of Prince Fielder, and then a black Jake Dorsey out of $1.99. I like this stuff, pretty nice. Lots of different parallels and shirts, all that fun. Clayton Kershaw and a Torrey Hunter, and Cal Ripken regular mini. Things are falling over here. Let's get one nice auto. Craig Nettles isn't exactly the big one you hope for, but let's see. Probably get like a rookie. Glove stories of, who's that? Rizzo, and a Shoop, Jonathan Shoop rookie card, regular mini. And that's my other auto. And I think it's a rookie, David Phelps. Oh, maybe he's not. Yankees, David Phelps. Alright. Two nice relics, but 2 weak autos. And a regular Daniel Murphy mini. You don't see Craig Nettles or David Phelps stuff much in product. Shoop rookie card on the front. A dealing aces of Price, David Price, and a mini of Cueto, Johnny Cueto, regular. A glove stories of Mike Trout and a mini of Tim Lincecum. I got about 5 packs left here, maybe more. I don't know. The old-timey look again, Miguel Cabrera, the weird turnaround card, Matt Harvey, and then Brandon Phelps, regular mini. Nope, 7 packs. I was wrong. Blue debut All-Stars of Matt Harvey, and a black mini of Altuve, Jose Altuve, number $1.99. A debut All-Stars of Manny Machado, and a mini of Fergie Jenkins, regular. I probably missed some rookies because I thought they would just be in the middle, but I think I've seen them all over the pack. John Lester, nice. Dealing aces, Randy Johnson, and a mini of Bob Gibson, regular. Oh, I had another mini in that mini box. I just noticed it's sticking out. Quickly. Bumgarner, Madison Bumgarner, dealing aces, and a mini of Nolan Ryan. Another mini. I had got the 1 to 50 earlier. I think it was like sepia or something. Oh, cards are everywhere. A debut All-Stars of Bryce Harper and Ryan Zimmerman mini. Seem to see all the same guys in the inserts. Sandy Koufax on the front. Wade Boggs and a Willie Mays turnaround card. I should have piled those up separately just in case. And a John Lackey mini. Got shelled the other night. Alright, last pack. A Bryce Harper, turnaround card of Paul Goldschmidt, and a mini of Juan Gonzalez. seen him in a lot of Topps products this year for some reason, out of the blue. Alright, again, very fun break. Nice stuff. Cool. Thanks for watching. Peace.